Hey everyone! Ever wondered why you double tap some brands' posts without even thinking? It's not just luck. There's real psychology behind why we engage with certain brands on social media. The truth is, understanding these psychological triggers can help you build a stronger connection with your audience, increase engagement, and even drive sales. Psychology is actually a huge part of marketing, and we're going to dive into some of that today. Today, we're diving into the psychological triggers that make us interact with brands online, real-world examples of brands that are doing it right, tips on how you can apply these insights to boost your own social media game, the dopamine effect, instant gratification. Every time you get a like or comment on your post, your brain releases dopamine, otherwise known as the feel-good chemical, that makes you feel happy and validated. This instant gratification is why we love social media. Each notification is like a mini reward, encouraging us to keep coming back for more. Brands have learned to use this to their advantage by creating content that encourages faster interactions. Whether it's through likes, comments, or shares, these quick engagements trigger the same rewarding feeling in us. Think about it. Why do we enjoy those polls, quizzes, or tag a friend posts so much? They give us an immediate response and make us feel like we're actively participating in something. Brands like Starbucks use this tactic with their interactive Instagram stories, asking questions and prompting followers to share their opinions. This quick interaction leads to a more engaged audience and greater brand visibility. The key takeaway here is to simply create content that encourages immediate engagement. Whether it's a call to action in the caption or an interactive post, make sure your audience has a way to engage quickly. The power of social proof. Humans are social creatures. We tend to follow the crowd because we think, if everyone else is doing it, it must be worth our time. This is where social proof comes in. Social proof refers to the idea that when we're more likely to engage with content or buy a product if we see that others are doing the same. This explains why we're attracted to posts with thousands of likes, shares, or comments. We see that others are engaging, and we feel compelled to join in. On the flip side, if you see a post with no likes or no views, you may subconsciously think, this isn't good content, and scroll on by. Brands tap into this by showcasing user-generated content or displaying testimonials and reviews from real customers. This not only builds trust, but also makes us feel more comfortable interacting with their content. For example, GoPro regularly shares stunning videos captured by their users. By showing real customers using their products, GoPro highlights the product's value in an authentic way, encouraging potential customers to engage and trust the brand. Another great example is Amazon review system. We often rely on customer reviews to guide our purchasing decisions because we trust the opinions of others who have already experienced the product. The need for connection. One of the biggest reasons people engage with certain brands is because they feel authentic. We're drawn to brands that are human, relatable, and real. Brands that show behind-the-scenes content or let their personality shine through are much more likely to grab our attention. Why? Because we want to connect with brands on a personal level. When a brand is too polished or feels too corporate, it's harder to relate to them. That's why many big brands are hiring young social media managers to respond and engage on their social media for them. Duolingo is a perfect example of this. Their TikTok videos are raw, unfiltered, and funny. The brand doesn't try to be perfect. It embraces its quirky side, which resonates with their audience. This approach has helped Duolingo build a massive and loyal following because it makes the brand feel accessible and human. The key here is authenticity. Don't be afraid to show the imperfections, the humor, and the humanity behind your brand. Let your audience see the real you, and they'll be more likely to engage and connect with your content. The urge to reciprocate. Reciprocity is a powerful psychological principle that says when someone does something for us, we feel a natural urge to return the favor. In the context of social media, this means that when your brand's engaging with their followers, by responding to comments, liking posts, or sharing user-generated content, we're more likely to engage with them in return. This two-way interaction builds loyalty and strengthens the relationship between the brand and the customer. Take Wendy's, for example. Their Twitter account is famous for its witty and often cheeky responses to followers. Wendy's doesn't just post content and leave it. They actively engage in conversations, share memes, and even roast other brands. This playful interactive style builds a sense of community and makes the followers feel seen and valued. This strategy doesn't just build engagement, it humanizes the brand, making it more approachable and fun. The takeaway here? Don't just post and leave. Engage with your audience. Like, comment, and respond to build relationships that keep people coming back. The appeal of exclusivity and belonging. We all love feeling special, and one of the easiest ways to get people to engage is to make them feel like they're part of an exclusive group. Brands do this by offering exclusive content, early access, or members-only perks. The idea is simple. When people feel like they're in the know, or part of an elite group, they're more likely to engage and stay loyal. Nike does a great job of this through its membership program. Members get access to exclusive products, special discounts, and early releases, creating a sense of belonging to an exclusive community. This sense of exclusivity not only increases engagement, but also fosters brand loyalty. When people feel like they're getting something others aren't, they're more likely to stick around. The lesson here: create exclusive content or offers that make your followers feel like insiders. Whether it's an early product release or a special discount code, giving people something unique will increase engagement and loyalty. Tips to boost your brand's engagement. Be authentic by sharing real stories and behind-the-scenes content to humanize your brand. Encourage user participation by creating campaigns that invite users to share their own content or experiences. Show appreciation by acknowledging and sharing user-generated content to build community and trust. Leverage trends wisely by participating in relevant trends to increase visibility while ensuring they align with your brand's identity. Provide value by sharing content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Understanding the psychology behind social media engagement helps you connect more deeply with your audience. By being authentic, responsive, and valuing your community, you can create content that resonates and encourages interaction. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Also, let us know your favorite brand to follow on social media. And why is it us? Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.